Take a bowl and add boiled chickpeas in it. Now add boiled potato cubes to add more taste to it. Cubes of onion and tomatoes will also bring its charm. Adding green chutney made with coriander, mint leaves, green chili, and zira. Add as much as you want imli chutney. Now add sweet curd. It's easy to make, just 1 TS sugar and curd. I know it looks tempting, but there are a few more steps to best chaat. Add papdi in it to give it a good crunch, you mum. Add some chaat masala to make it chat pata yum. Adding more curd to make it more yum. Now mix, 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 mix. Your best chaat is ready, now serve and enjoy you.